ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Basavaraj, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Kuvempu Nagar, Mysore. I would like to brief an overview of Refund Play by Fritz Carinthi. This play is introduced for BBA and BCom course, University of Mysore. The play Refund is a synthesis of humor and satire. Fritz Carinthi, a Hungarian dramatist, criticizes the present system of education which does not prepare students for their career. The main character in the play is Wasserkopf. Wasserkopf in Germany means one with a water head, an eccentric person. He is 40 years old, yet he remains unemployed. Wherever he goes, the people tell him that he is fit for nothing. They tell him that he has not learned anything in his school. One day, Wasserkopf meets his friend Lederer in the street. He asks him about his business. Lederer talks about foreign exchange and Hungarian money. Wasserkopf is not able to understand anything and starts asking questions about foreign exchange. Lederer says that Wasserkopf has not learned anything and therefore he should go to his school to get his tuition fees back. Wasserkopf, who is jobless and does not have any finance, finds this idea as something beneficial to him, and so he goes to the school where he studied once in order to demand his tuition fees back. When he asks for the refund of his tuition fees, the principal is shocked because after 18 years he has come back to the school thinking that he has learned nothing worthwhile. The principal calls for an urgent meeting with all other staff members. They decided to keep a re-examination for Wasserkopf and agree that whatever answer he gives, they will prove him right. One by one, each teacher questions him and justified his wrong answers to be correct one, and they mark him excellent. Though Wasserkopf gives wrong answers and use abuse words to each teacher, they don't show their anger because they have to prove him as an excellent student. Finally, the mathematics master says that he will ask an easy question and a difficult question. The first question is about the speed of light. Wasserkopf gives a wrong answer, and so the mathematics master gets angry and says that he has failed in his examination. Then he tells Wasserkopf that he deserves the refund of tuition fees and asks him the difficult question: how much do we owe you? Wasserkopf, without knowing that he is going to fall into their trap, says that it is 5,682 crowns and 38 hellers. Now the mathematics master says that was his difficult question. Wasserkopf is declared to have passed the examination. The play deals with an extraordinary, ludicrous situation. It also shows the ability of the teachers to manage the situation and how they tackle Wasserkopf without spoiling the reputation of their school. Thank you.